and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your geology teacher, Jen. It's time for Field Trip Friday. And don't mind the thunder. It is over there, away from us. It is not coming towards us. We're safe. If we were not, I would not be out here. Anyway, so we have
airline.
Okay. I was like, that sounds like a flying electric car. That's weird. Okay. Alright, so we are outside of Eagle Mountain today, Eagle Mountain, Utah, and we are currently in the Ochre Formation, and I believe we are in the Ochre group, not the formation. This is bigger. We're in a bigger set of rocks than a formation. We're in a group in the Butterfield Peaks formation of the Ochre Mountain group. Okay, it is a limestone group. Whee! So we got a layer right here, and then we've got another outcrop right here, so another layer right below us, and we have several more layers up the mountain, all the same formation. Okay, and basically the idea had been to go look for limonite pseudomorphs, but the internet is terrible and apparently has not yet figured out that the places they're telling us where the pseudomorphs are all on private land. Like, not one thing, not even the USGS website said anything about it. Yeah, I'm calling you guys out. Okay. So we're looking for coral fossils. They're going to be the easiest because you can find fusulinids and conodonts, but they are microfossils and a lot harder to find. So we're hoping that we'll find the layer that has the coral in it. That would be super cool. So yeah, let's see what we can find. Here, so that lower layer we were looking at is actually a sandstone, and you can actually see the different layers in it, and it is very rough to the touch, very gritty. So there are a few sandstone layers amongst our limestone. So sandstone, limestone, sandstone, limestone. Alright, didn't find a fossil, but I did find some chalk. See? Watch. Terrible high, but hey, it's chalk. So we found another layer here, and this is the orthoquartzite layer that you can find in here. So that means that there's orthoclase, feldspars, in this quartzite. So yeah, we found all three: the sandstone, the limestone, the quartzite. No fossils though. I'm starting to wonder if the storm's going to come this way, so we may have to call it quits. But it is gorgeous up here, so I mean, you know, not a total loss. And just a little background on the Butterfield Peaks formation. It is from the Carboniferous period. It's 323 to about 306 million years old. So Utah at that time was underwater, so you know, beachfront property, all that. We had beachfront property for a very, very long time, basically up until about the Triassic, and then suddenly we were much more inland. And can't say I can complain about that. I am very allergic to lots of things that live in the ocean, so the further away I am, the happier I am. But ocean rocks, sure, fun stuff. But yeah, so that's just how old that is and the kinds of things you can find out here. And maybe we'll try again sometime. Maybe in like September or October when it's a little cooler and less likely to rain on us. And by rain, I mean thunderstorm. But fun field trip anyway. So I hope you guys learned something new. And I will fossilize you later.